this video will be about is it will be about the plants that I keep in my room. I keep multiple plants in my room, and that's what this video is going to be about. Thank you, and let's get into the video. Okay, to start, you come over to my succulents right here. Right here, I have a vining succulent. And then over here, I have these guys, which I got from a place called Skinner's Garden Store. I have some little mini cactuses. I do not know what this succulent is, but it fell over and then started to grow them out of its side. So, then I have this baby succulent that is growing from these guys. And I have this piece of succulent from this plant. I'm trying to get that into growing into a plant, but I don't think it's working. Then if you come over here, we have my elephant ears, which my cat kind of sort of destroyed. This plant right here, he destroyed this leaf. Then this one was so eaten, I just broke it off. This one he ate here, this one right here. He ate here too, but thankfully it is growing a new leaf. And then over here, I have this succulent in a yogurt container. It's called like Owie or OU, I don't know what it's called. And then I have this kind of succulent, these two. And then this is a pot with daisies in it that is going to grow some daisies. It should grow a lot because I put a lot of daisy seeds into that. So, that is my succulents for this corner of the room. And then they have this huge window where they can get sun. Today is a cloudy day, so you can't see it. But when it's not cloudy, the sun rises from like right here. So these guys will get perfect sunlight in the morning. And then, if you come over here, so we were over on this side of my room in this window. If you come over to this window, you'll find my plants we are growing to put into my garden. So, this container right here, this side, is Pepper California Wonder. That's what this side it has. And I'm all growing these from seeds. So that's why there's no plants in it, but there are seeds. So this side is the California Wonder Pepper. And then this side is the Tomato Big Red will be on this side. I have my mister for watering. These two greenhouse things, these have cilantro in them. My second pot down is cucumber green. So this whole thing is cucumber green. This side right here is tomato sweetie is on this side. And then on this side, it is tomato cherokee purple. So that's that one. That's the top one. And then on this bottom of the shelf, we have jalapeno mild. So this whole thing, again, is jalapenos. And then this one is cucumber, not fully green cucumbers. These are the fully green, but these are not fully green. And same story here. Sun comes from right there, so it will get all these racks of plants. Yeah. And one thing, just a tip for you, whoever, if you're going to start what I have done here, what I actually did is these little pots, they're like an egg carton material. And we went to Ace Hardware, and they had a pack of 15 of them for almost like $5. But we went to Dollar Tree and got a 12-pack for obviously $1. So if you're going to do that, I suggest going there to get those little pots because they are way cheaper. And everything on this rack, the rack wasn't from the dollar store, but all these supplies are from the dollar store except for the seeds and the dirt. Those are the only things that are not from the dollar store on this whole rack. So, and this stuff, some of it's from Skinner's, some of it's from Dillon's. These elephant ears, we've had them for years. And the daisies were also a dollar store pack. We got that whole thing, seeds, dirt, everything included for $1 at the dollar store. The last thing I'd like to show you is this monkey riding a pheasant with a dream catcher around its neck and 2 American flags.